How to change language in Bitget Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are in Bitget Wallet and struggling to understand the language, then you can easily change it in a few seconds. Launch open the Bitget Wallet app first on your device and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Bitget Wallet, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile avatar. Now click on the gear button at the top right corner and under Settings, tap on Preferences. Click on the language option under Preferences on the next page and you'll see a list of available languages you can change to. Select the language you are most comfortable with from the list and you'll be able to change your display language immediately. So that's how you easily change your language with a few taps and your app feels much more comfortable to use. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.